guys, it's your guys here back on another video. And so today I'm going to be fixing this slime. It's called Very Berry Cheesecake, and make sure you go get it from
and she do
Fabulous.
have a special guest.
Yeah, I was gonna say that.
Queen Realm.
And go subscribe to her YouTube channel. It's called Queen Rem 08.
Yep.
So yeah, and today we're going to be fixing this slime, as you already heard. So let's get into this.
So first you want to start. So first you want to have some coconut oil, butter, cream.
Coconut butter.
Coconut butter. Then you want to have some baby oil, and you need some water.
Period.
You know?
Well, that's all our ingredients.
Yeah, that's all we really need. So.
And yeah, and plus, if you hear us crunching, we have Takis.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Sit down. Oh my gosh, the slime spilled.
I don't think I like it.
You ooh,
That's my slime.
oh no, it spilled. Put it back. Oh yeah, make sure you go follow, subscribe to her because we just made a video of recreating her slime.
Which is that she's playing with. We just made it like 1 second ago.
Yeah.
Not easy. Like we just got done making it.
Yeah, literally, she's posting it right now. Oh, it just got so lighter. Look at the difference.
Yeah, look at this.
That's perfect.
So this one I got is sticky.
So all y'all can see is pink, dark pink, right? And now this is light pink.
It slips right back into the water.
Come on.
Oh my god,
Oh my goodness. Sorry, guys.
no,
Okay, guys, we're back.
So I can only do this, right?
You know, hold on. You have that right there. Okay, guys, we're back. We had technical difficulties. Sorry. I think this is gonna stick to the dresser, my slime.
Yeah, me too. I just kind of get sticky. Where's the baby oil and stuff?
Sorry, it was in the way.
I'm just gonna put these right.
We're gonna call her Peppa Pig. Because she looks like Peppa Pig.
Yes, she does.
Peppa Pig, SpongeBob. Spongy Peppa. No,
Yes.
Spongy Pig. Yeah, Spongy Pig. Perfect.
That one.
Spongy Pig. On the red pig.
Pad.
Spongy Pig. On the red pig. Okay.
Okay.
We're weird.
Just like we like to have fun.
Sometimes. Oh yeah, tomorrow, if you want to see us in person, go to Trunk or Treat. And then you'll see us in person.
Or Trunk and Trunk.
Trunk and Treat.
So I think
Treat and Trunk.
mine is definitely gonna start dripping because
sticky. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot!
Look. So drippy. Look.
Yeah, it's okay. So the texture is really good. I mean, the feeling is really good, but the texture
is really
drippy. And we're trying to fix that.
We want it to be nice and good. Right there.
Yeah.
So I keep on dropping my slime in the water so it can be like nice and cozy.
Your piece of slime.
It
looks like pee.
Yeah.
Okay.
Peace.
Now let's mix it. Come on, guys. You have to see that. I know you guys saw that.
So after I'm mixing all of this water in, I guess I'll add...
Put that on the ground. So that, John. There you go.
Yeah, our room is not messy, but we just do that.
Yeah.
It only is a weekly dip. Right?
Yeah. No, it's been clean. What you talking about?
Oh, yeah. Well, we get messing up.
Yeah.
We mixed our room up once. Yes, we share a room. We have a twin bed. We have a double mattress. So
that's for the both of us.
Yeah.
And she has a really, really big
a really big.
a really big bad cough. Well, I don't know.
I mean, I'm not sick, really.
Want me to do it?
Yeah, no. Yeah. Yeah, no. Yeah, no. I wouldn't lie.
That's right now. Because that's how much I poured.
Look, I told you it was 6 adjuster.
Now, I told you.
Oh my god!
Hey, let me see. Oh.
No! I know how to handle it. I'm the master of forming it back together. You're the master of making it, right?
I'm both.
I mean, I'm both too, right?
Yeah. A little bit.
Yeah, we're both. Because I know how to make slime so good. It's just
Exactly.
sometimes I just mess up because I get
I know
so
how to make
frustrated.
thick slime.
I know how to make butter slime, lotion slime, water
Of
slime.
course you know how to make butter slime. It's so easy.
Easy. Like, all you need is lotion. Sometimes
Well,
you
to
can
make
use butter.
good butter slime.
Yeah, you can use
Lotion.
butter. You can use lotion, butter. You can use everything that you got in your
Oh yeah, guys, if you want to make a butter slime, make sure you use Daiso clay. It's spelled Daiso clay. Look up Daiso clay, and then it will be spelled, well, oh my goodness. Say Daiso clay in Google, or Siri. Yeah, and then it will be spelled Daiso clay. Okay?
But you might want to go online for Daiso clay because Siri is just gonna not show up the picture probably.
Yeah.
She's probably just gonna say it.
Yeah.
And then
Talk
you'll
about,
have to read
I
it.
don't. Oh, let's look it up on your phone.
Okay.
Hey Siri.
It ain't even fucking easy.
Okay, hold on. Wait. Okay. Hey Siri. What's...
Say Daiso clay.
Okay, hold on.
Just say Daiso.
Hey Siri, what is Daiso clay? See, it said Daiso clay. See, it said Daiso.
I see.
See, guys, when I said Daiso clay, it said Daiso. I don't know where is that. Oh, wrong one. Hey Siri, what is Daiso clay?
I found this on the web.
See, it said Daiso clay.
Oh my god. This is so cute. As you notice, it's kind of sticky, but not. Did your mom buy all your clothes?
Yeah.
My dad buys them.
Mm.
Because he's rich like that.
Yep.
Ain't my dad rich, Kendall?
Yeah.
Because if you buy me this slime, it was a $1.99. You know you gotta have somebody else in that pocket, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
$1.99 though?
Mm-hmm.
But then he bought me a $2.35 phone case. Like, that phone was like $1,800. So you know that money.
$418.
Like, that's how much phones actually cost. So, iPhones were much better than Androids, right?
Well, it's not my fault.
Well-
My grandma don't have enough money for that.
iPhone? You want an iPhone?
Yeah.
If
I'm
I
done.
get an XR,
Look at that. So you guys cannot tell the difference because
slime is
it's
kinda
different.
boring.
So yeah.
Slime is kind of boring, but at the same time, it's kind of fun.
Yeah.
I mean, like, we're kids.
I'm gonna just sit here and eat my Takis.
I know, I'm about to be
Oh,
done.
my legs hurt so
After
bad.
I add this water, the next row of water, then I'm going to be done. I mean, it's buttery. Next drop.
After this video, we should make an ASMR.
Then we should do a Q&A like we said.
Come on.
I'm not going to be here. Because remember to trick or treat.
Chocolate treat.
Yeah.
That's at 5 p.m. 5 p.m.
Yeah, but
We can do that at 4, we can do that at 3, we can do that at 2, we can do that at 9. 10, 11, 12.
Today we can do it.
Okay.
We can do the Q&A, then the
We can do that at
other
7 in the morning. We can do that at so much time.
Yeah, but you like the lights out.
In the morning?
No, at night. We not even trying to go to sleep. Have the lights out. Because you want to go to sleep.
We're spelling it.
We don't care. I'm about to change my clothes into my night clothes this night. Please don't know what this ain't you about to say.
Look at you.
I know we're clumsy. Sometimes we are. Just like we broke our glass cup. Oh yeah. Oh, look at me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Enjoy my talkies. You fucking smell slime.
Alright. So I'm done with this slime. Like, I made it so perfect. Don't you think so? Like, I think it's butter slime. Or no, this is like fluffy
Fluffy
slime.
slime, yeah.
This is fluffy slime. Look at the fluff go. And it's a fluffy jiggly slime. Because it got that jiggle when I jumped it. If my dad's cheating on your mom, would you tell your mom?
What?
If my dad's cheating on your mom, would you tell your mom?
Would you?
No. I'm not a tattletale. I'm not. Unless somebody actually do something. I'm not like that. I'm not saying he did, I'm just saying like, even if he had a girl that's his friend,
Yeah.
you would tell.
No.
Exactly.
Look at you.
But say somebody girl liked him and
No, I would not tell if a girl likes him. Would you?
look at this. This looks like the smoothie.
Yeah.
It's so cute. Okay, this don't even fit in here.
Don't.
No.
We can probably make some of that in that.
No. No. Look. My slime's already taking too much space.
Remember?
So we gotta keep those slimes in here. And goodbye.
Wait a minute.
Do your ending.
Okay, guys. So I hope y'all like this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button. Well, not like smash your phone or whatever you're watching at home. Just hit it softly, please. So I hope you enjoyed it. Bye. Alright, that's mine.
Ready for the